Okay, the sum of two numbers is 90, and one number is 4 times the other. Write an equation to find the numbers. Okay. So you could say x plus y equals 90, and one number is 4 times the other.
So 4x equals y.
Or
Okay.
x equals 4y, same thing.
Okay.
So y is 18, so x is going to be 72. Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And then they want to find a measure of angle ABD. Well, ABD is just a straight line, right?
180.
Or just a line, so that's 180. So we call it a straight angle.
Yeah.
Okay. Some other terminology here. Complementary means two angles add up to 90. Subtary two angles add up to 180. Um, if your two angles are right next to each other, we say they're adjacent, which makes sense. If objects are not, we call it non-adjacent. Um, so in this case, angle 1 plus angle 2 has to add up to 90 degrees.
The complementary is what adds up to 90?
90, right? And subtary adds up to 180. And examples of complementary and subtary are shown in the diagrams below. And when they're right next to each other, like, for a complementary adjacent, they're adding up to 90 because they form a right angle. For supplementary adjacent, obviously they're forming a line. So of course you get 180 there.
Mhm.
So for the next one, name a pair. So use the diagram to find a pair of the types of angles below. So complementary, you want two angles to add up to one to add to 90. Supplementary have to add up to 180. So I would say angle BAC and angle RST. Supplementary adds up to 180. So I'd say angle CAD
And RST?
and angle RST. And adjacent angles are just right next to each other. So angle BAC and angle CAD.
Okay. Should I do the A, like the next one?
So now let's look at yeah, exactly. Yeah, go and try. Tell me what you think about this. So go and write them out. So the diagram's off to the right. So complementary adds up to 90. Supplementary adds up to 180. And adjacent is next to each other.
So would this just be F, G, K? Okay. 180. Oh, and 90. Oh, okay.
Cool. All right. Good. All right. And when I think of supplements, you don't get confused. Supplement sounds like supply. When you have a supply of something, like you have a lot of it. So if you have a hard time remembering, is the 90, the supplement 90 or 180, the supplement's always gonna be greater than the complement. Just, supplement's always 180, complement's 90.
Okay.
So if angle 168, then angle 2 is 22. But for supplement, if angle 4 is 56, and that's 124. And again, supplement again, that's gonna be 63 degrees. Then here, the frame of a ball return that forms a pair of solitary angles of the ground, BCE. Yeah, so if these are supplements, right, they have to 180.
Yeah.
So 4x plus 8 plus x plus 2 must have to 180. Pretty easy equation solve, right?
5x10.
Correct.
14.
Right. So you want to do 170, which is 34, right? So go and try this one down below. These are complements, mind you. And they give you the algebraic expressions for them.
90. Wait, so these are each 90 or they're equal to 90?
Yeah, out to 90.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
See, you got
7.
89, 91, 7, right? Okay. 26, 64, good. All right. Yeah, linear pair is when two angles are next to each other and they have to 180.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That's called linear pair because it's linear, it's forming a line. Vertical angles are directly opposite of each other. We
So
call them
they
vertical angles.
equal each other for the two?
Correct. 3 and 6 would equal each other, and
And
angle 4 would equal angle 5. Exactly, right? Okay. Here, angle 1, angle 4. And vertical angles, angle 1, angle 5.
wait, isn't angle 1 and angle 3 also a linear pair?
No, because you have to include angle 2 also.
Oh, so it can only be 2?
Okay, SP2 is a pair, mind you, right? Pair means 2, and they have to 180. So 1 and 4 are a pair and have to 180. Or 4 and 5, that could work also. But angle 1 will equal angle 5 because they're directly opposite of each other.
Angle 2 and angle 4 also?
No, because it has to be two lines forming it. See, here's
Oh, it's three
That
lines.
wouldn't make sense, right? Because you have to have three lines.
Yeah. Should I do this one?
Yeah, that's right.
So, okay. This, no. There's no linear pairs because everything has a middle in it. Like one and three have two, one and five have six, right?
Linear pair. You could say, yeah, you're right, actually. Yeah, don't know linear pairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then one, angle four, angle six, angle three, and then okay.
Yep. Okay, good. A little algebra here. Two angles form a linear pair. One angle is five times the other. So if one angle is x, the other one's 5x, apt 180,
30.
correct. So the angles are going to be 30 and 150. Um, so x plus y equals 90. And we'll say x is 2y. So it's pretty easy, right? 2y plus y equals 90. Y is 30, so we're good there. So the x is 60. Um, so now let's try these here. Let's go and solve for x and y. I'll let you make the relationships.
Oh, okay.
We'll start with the first one out to the left.
Y. All right. Okay. So x equals 10 and y. So this is 70, 35. Okay.
Good. Yeah, keep going. You're doing great.
30. Okay. Okay. 4x minus 100 plus 5 plus x plus 5. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, cool. Yeah, good. Okay. All right, I think you're good there. So now let's move on to the next topic. So convex, I should probably verify explain concave first. Concave kind of sounds like cave.
Yeah.
So it caves in. So you kind of see how like this kind of caves in a little bit. But really what's happening is if you pick 2 points inside the diagram and connect those 2 points, if part of the line falls outside of it, it's not convex. It'll be concave. See, if I pick 2 random points here, it'll always stay inside. So that's called convex. 2 is concave. And this is also actually this is not a polygon because you have to have straight sides. It's curved. So 2 and 3 are definitely polygons.
Yeah.
But 2 happens to be a concave polygon, and 3 is a convex polygon.
So I can like put 2 points anywhere in here and they won't connect.
Correct. That makes it convex. But our focus will be on convex. That's what we usually deal with in geometry. So here it asks to state the number of sides. And also is equilateral, equiangular, or regular. Regular means it's both equilateral and equiangular. So in this case,
Four
yeah,
sides.
that's 4 sides, right? So you can say it's a quadrilateral.
Wait, that's not one of the options though.
No. You classify it first, then tell whether it's
Oh,
equal. So that's quadrilateral and it's regular. Hence, it's a square. This is also regular, and it's a hexagon. Um, that is a pentagon. It's not equiangular or equilateral. Here it's not a polygon because if you take these 2 points, it's convex. Actually, it is sorry, it is a polygon. It's just concave. Um,
okay.
but and it's definitely yeah, it's definitely regular. It's kind of weird.
Oh, so
Yes, are.
make it.
Um, Here, the lengths of 2 sides of a right triangle are represented by the following. Over regular triangle, so right triangle, okay.
So it'll equal around 180, right?
No. We're talking about sides.
Oh,
So if it's regular, all the sides,
Are equal.
correct. So that's 16, it's 16.
Okay.
Okay. So that's that one. Um, right. So now let's try.
Oh,
Yeah, go and try number 9.
okay. One. I'll make that bigger. Can't draw straight lines. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. Okay. So then, but equilateral is what?
All the same. So just those two numbers equal each other. That's all you have to do.
All under solve for x.
Yeah, 5x plus 13. It's all for x.
Okay. So, yeah. Hold on. Undo that. Negative 5x 20. Right. Equals negative 20. Then, 4, right. Oh, 33. What the? Yeah.
Okay, let's keep moving. So this should be pretty straightforward. I mean, just set them equal to each other. You don't have to waste your time. That's just too easy. Let's do this one here. Again, it's regular. So this equals this, and this equals this.
So do they all equal each other?
No, no, no. The sides equal each other and the angles equal each other.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna do 20x, and then you get the side length and the perimeter, and then set these equal to each other to find the value of the angles.
Wait, so would this angle also equal this angle and this angle and this angle?
Correct. Right. Right.
Um, 14, mm, five? You're right. Okay.
Okay. Cool. See here. Well, one sec. X equals 14, right?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean the side length is 14. The side length is actually 280.
Oh,
And remember, if this is the Pentagon, Washington, D.C., it's gonna be a lot longer than 14 meters on each side. And then you multiply it by 5, you get 1400s. In the interior angles, you are correct. Yeah, because if y is 5, throw it back in, should be 108. That's correct. So 540 is what they all add up to. And by the way, there is a formula you'll learn eventually to find the sum of all the angles in a polygon is n minus 2 times 180, or n's number of sides or number of angles. So, okay. So that covers 1/6, and then we'll do 1/7, then we'll be done for today. So I know we got a little delay here. Okay, perimeter, circumference, and area. Find the distance between the 2 points. You already know that. Take the difference in the x's, that's 3. Take the difference in y's, that's 1. You get 10, so it's root 10. Then here, multiply by 2.
Oh,
X is 12. Okay. Um,
perimeter and area. Oh,
yeah, to find the perimeter, just add up all the sides, and the
mhm.
area is just length times width for a rectangle or a square. For a triangle, it's 1/2 times base times height. Because if you think about it, if you had a rectangle and cut it in half along its diagonal, obviously it's half of the base times height, right? It's half of it. So
Yeah.
it's circle, circumference, okay. So find the perimeter of this. That's easy. It's 84 times 2 plus 2 times 50. That's 168. Yeah. So it's 268.
Yeah.
Circumference is 2 pi r. So since the radius is, or the diameter is 9, the radius is 4.5. Or you do pi times d, same thing, instead of doing the 2 pi r. You get 9 pi. Area is pi r squared. So always a squared unit. We're doing area. Where 4.5 is, which is 20.25 pi.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, pretty easy, right? Height's 4. So area is 8. Oh, they didn't ask for the area, sorry. They asked for the perimeter. Do we have to use this formula actually? I know that's 4, it's easy. That is 3 and 4, so that's 5 if I do Pythagorean theorem. 1 and 4, that's root 17. Yeah, so I just do Pythagorean theorem like that. So you get 9 plus root 17. And here, that's 4. So that's 3 and 1. And that's 6. So you get
Oh.
root 37 and root 45, I think.
And then the area, base times height.
Yeah.
Is the area base times height divided by 2?
Well, yeah, that's going to be 12 for the area. The perimeter is going to be wacky like this. And root 45 you could write as 3 root 5. because you pull 9 out of it. Oh, I need to plug my laptop. Hold on a sec. Okay, I stopped playing my laptop. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So that's that right there. And then yeah, we're almost done. Okay. Yeah, so go and try these two here.
Okay. Wait, what? So wait, but the machine can resurface in 270 yards in 1 minute, and it's
Yeah, so obviously how many minutes let's find the area first, right? Which would
200.
be 2100,
Oh yeah. Oops.
and then divide by 270.
Oh yeah.
That's
Okay.
what we do. Which should be about 7 to 8 minutes roughly. A little more, closer to 8 minutes.
For sure.
Yeah, it's like 7.778, I think.
Did you like get a calculator or did you do the
No, it's
direct?
okay. I just told it to you. I put it in the calculator.
Oh.
Okay, then let's try the last one here. Then we're done for today.
Mm, 28, 2, 8 times base times height and base times height. Mm, 8, 2. So the height is 388. Wait, hold on. I did something wrong.
All right, take your time.
But I can't clear it. It's not erasing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Base is 28. The area is 208. Twenty. 28. Okay.
Yeah, because you want to do right. You got it. Yep, 416 by 28. Yeah, something really weird. Yeah, good. Okay. Um, good. All right. So you're making great progress. So I'm gonna assign some more work. I'll send an email in a little bit, and we'll
Yeah.
meet next Tuesday around the same time.
Okay.
Cool. All right. I'll see you later.
Thank you.